Be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you like the video.
Yo, the wind is stirring, our vision be blurring. It's about to rain and the floods keep getting insane. Hurricane day, I'm gonna stay in on Hurricane Day. Hurricane Day, hold on a second. Hello, happy Hurricane Day. What can I do for you? Hello? Mr. Knight, where in the world are you? Yo, Mr. Morris, is that you? You out here making house calls, bro? Man, you really are the best boss. Oh, wonderful, wonderful. Well, then you should have no problem showing up for your shift in the next quarter hour. Now listen, Vanessa has already gone out of town. Whoa, hold up, my guy, hold up. Excuse me? Yes, excuse you. Boy, this is Hurricane Day. I ain't coming in today. Shoot, we got the evacuation notice and everything. Son, we are in Zone B. As in, you better be in for your shift or you gonna be out of a job. You understand me? Now, as I was saying, we've got a lot to do and we don't have that much manpower. No! Excuse me, what did you...
No! Now listen to me, you insufferable insect. This will not be a day that you take from me. Not today. Today is Hurricane Day. You will never, ever get me to come out facing the elements like today. Just for you and the sake of a paycheck. Do we understand each other?
Oh. Yes, we understand each other. Good. Now, I'm going to enjoy the rest of my paid day off. And I hope that you continue to enjoy your Hurricane Day as well. It wouldn't really be a paid day. Okay, you enjoy your paid day off. I'm going home too. Hurricane Day, hurricane... Damn, I done lost the beat.
Y'all still here? Well, if you're sticking around, you might as well like and subscribe, if you haven't already. And if you really like the Plus U stuff, you might as well check us out on Patreon. That way you can see how you can help light the fuse on things you want to see in the future. Now get on out of here. It's me time. Later.